Achieving Successful Asset Management Growth. A Real Assets Presentation. Hit subscribe and share the video, please. Asset management growth is indisputably one of the goals of any business organization. This is tangible evidence that the industry has undertaken successful asset management, and is already experiencing general growth and improvement. It also implies that the enterprise has chosen the right asset management system and module, one that works compatibly with the already existing systems within the company. Asset management gathers even greater importance during these technologically advancing times. Gone are the days of manual work. The administration of assets today has certainly evolved to include diverse and complex database systems and reliance on accurate and timely information. What makes for effective asset management? Asset management should be on the forefront of the strategies being adopted by any industry. However, it will be futile to speak of asset management merely on the tangible sense, since the generation of businesses nowadays relies heavily on technological systems and data maintenance. Thus, in order to be wholly effective, asset management must allow for both the hardware and software assets of the company. Essentially, asset management must make room for the effective organization of production, facilities, transportation, and even digital assets. The budgeting, procurement, maintenance, and depreciation calculation of the fixed assets must be undertaken with value maximization and cost minimization in mind. Asset management solutions being offered to various industries nowadays have organizational modules on managing assets, human resources, materials, and softwares. Asset management systems must provide tools for improvement on assets return and cost-cutting of asset ownership. These systems must also assist in license compliance and promote enhanced security. Especially for businesses that span different branches in different locations, a good asset management solution must have facility for assets tracking, whether these assets are physical or intangible. The growth goals of asset management. In order for asset management to be successful, it must be able to achieve several goals. First of all, it must assist industry managers in making the best use of its assets. It must be able to pinpoint which assets need to be worked on, and which of these are just being idle. Simply put, asset management is geared towards bringing about greater value from the assets of the company, and using them to achieve more competitive performance and productivity. Asset management tools should also be effective in the curtailment of asset ownership and the calculation of asset-related risks. It should also be able to provide for accurate inventory control and data storage. Most of all, it must engender wiser decision-making where assets management is concerned, in the face of consistently shifting technology and cutthroat competition. Why asset management is essential for organizational growth. Asset management encompasses not merely the actual physical and intangible assets of any organization, but more importantly, the effective utilization of each. This essentially means that asset management caters to various disciplines from administration to engineering, and from production to information management. With successful asset management, growth is imminent. Labor and production becomes efficient, downtimes on equipment and facilities are minimized, and the total cost of fixed asset ownership is significantly reduced. Solutions for better asset management are available from providers, all offering different solutions to the more specific asset-related concerns. Organizations must be able to pinpoint the areas that need to be enhanced, seek the assistance from management solution providers, and to work alongside these management tools. Asset management growth is not a one-way street, nor is it expected to happen in a momentary tick. Asset management will continue to shift and evolve, and industry managers must be able to understand this from the beginning, to achieve the most favorable results for the entire organization.